HVAC particulate filter replace. Preliminary activities or conditions. Park the vehicle on flat work bay and turn the engine off. Open the left front door. HVAC particulate filter removal procedure. Open the glove box and detach the stopper by pressing it. Disengage the glove box from the assembly. Press and remove the HVAC particulate filter cover from HVAC unit. Remove the HVAC particulate filter. HVAC particulate filter installation procedure. Caution. Notice. Install the HVAC particulate filter on HVAC unit. Ensure arrow is facing upward while installing. Install the HVAC particulate filter cover. Engage the glove box stopper and refit the glove box in its position. Close the glove box. Close the co-driver door.